Welcome back to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. And today we have an update on our tabletop gardening, growing our food from seeds. Seeds are cheaper than food. And these are microgreens you're looking at. We're here coming to you live from St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. See the gorgeous view. That's the harbor in Charlotte Amalia Harbor in St. Thomas. And here in this first tray, we have what will become leafy greens that we can cut and come again and eat in salads. There is kale planted here and also turnips, 7-top turnips. And they start from seeds and we'll let them continue to grow until there are leaves there. And this tray is going to be microgreens, so we won't let them grow leaves. We'll just let them become microgreens. These are beets microgreens, and these are arugula. See how beautiful? And they're coming up. It only takes like 1.5, 2 inches of soil, not very much. Now for the big update. Here is the update on my herb garden that I'm growing in these containers that have their own grow lights. Let's see if you can get a view there. You've got holy basil there coming in profusely. Can you see that? And then lemon basil coming in. The germination rate has been great in this little container that has its own grow light. And then you also see some of the rosemary coming up and oregano coming in. There's also chamomile there. Now, so excited because the dill has finally started to come in. This is dill, and it germinated much slower than the other herbs. I think because I planted them sort of deep in their pots, but that's dill coming up. So that's my herb garden coming up from seeds in these cute little containers that have their own grow lights built in. All right, so that's the update on food. I'm still waiting for your comments so we can schedule the next live to talk about banking, currency, where to keep your money now, what you should invest in right now. I'm not a financial investment counselor, but I am a Create Income coach. A lot of people are losing their jobs. We need to talk about how Create Income with or without a job can help you. The audio and ebooks are available from our website, createincomewithoutajob.com. Well, I'm Jamila Harris, and this is our update. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And we're looking forward to having your comments so we can schedule our next live together to discuss how to thrive, not just survive, in these economic times.